Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix Roblox when it's stuck on the loading screen. Well, the first step is to check your internet connection. So a stable connection is essential for Roblox, so ensure that you are connected to a reliable network. So the second step is to close other apps because running multiple applications can slow down your system, so close those unnecessary programs. The other thing you have to do is to go to Roblox screen and you have to download the game again to check if there's any update, and if you are using the Microsoft Store version, so check it out on Microsoft Store to ensure that you have the latest version. The fourth option is to clear the browser cache and cookies. This can resolve loading issues. The fifth step is restart your device because a simple restart can often fix temporary glitches. And the sixth step is to try a different browser. If you're using Chrome, for example, you can change to Brave, Opera, Mozilla Firefox, whatever. The seventh, this, the next step is to check for Roblox outage, because sometimes the issues lies with Roblox servers, so check the social media or websites for updates. And the eighth step is to verify game integrity. If you're using the Steam version of Roblox, you have to verify the game files for any corruption. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.